Hello YouTube babes, I'm Camelia. Welcome to my channel. It is 2 a.m. now. I'm still struggling with this video introduction. You see, I'm a quiet person and I don't like my voice at all. So it is very difficult for me to video myself talking. My original plan was I write this out, memorize it, and present to you professionally. But my brain is not working, so please allow me to read this out to you. I did spend some time on it. Hello everyone, my name is Camelia, and today we will be crocheting this lovely floral pattern. I have named it Aphrodite's Flower Granny Square. I have chosen to use a neon pink wool for the rose bud. But I think more neutral colors would look good too. If you are new to my channel, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons to see more of my content. I upload very regularly as YouTube is something I'm passionate about. Let's get started. Round 1. Make a magic ring. Chain 1 to skewer. We don't count this chain 1. 8 single crochet stitches into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tighten up the ring. Slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch. Round 2. Chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slip stitch into the same stitch. Slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slip stitch into the same stitch. Slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slip stitch into the same stitch. Repeat this pattern. I will meet you at the end of round 2. We are at the end of round 2. We are at the last petal. So slip stitch into the same stitch but from the back. Just pull through and then chain 1 for more secure. Round 3. Slip knot. Attach yarn in between 2 petals. Chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Triple crochet stitch into this petal. Another triple crochet. Chain 7. Slip stitch in between 2 petals. Chain 7. Triple crochet in between these chain space, the petals. So there's 2 treble crochet stitch, chain 7, slip stitch in between 2 petals. Repeat this pattern. I will meet you at the end of round 3. We are at the end of round 3. Slip stitch in between the petal. Chain 1 for more secure. Round 4. Make a slip knot. Attach yarn between chain 7 and treble crochet stitch. Chain 3. This chain 3 is counted as 1 double crochet. Another double crochet. Then double crochet in between these 2 treble crochet stitches. Chain 2, double crochet in between these 2 treble crochet stitches. 2 double crochet in between treble crochet stitch and the chain 7. 1, 2. Chain 2, single crochet in between these 2 treble crochet stitch. Chain 2, double crochet in between chain 7 and treble crochet stitch. Another one, another double crochet. Then 1 double crochet between 2 treble crochet stitch. Chain 2, another double crochet in between 2 treble crochet stitches. 2 double crochet between treble crochet and chain 7. 1, 2. Chain 2, single crochet in between these 2 treble crochet stitch. Repeat this pattern. I will meet you at the end of round 4. We are at the end of round 4. Don't forget this chain 2. Find the 3rd stitch. Turn over. Pull through, chain 1 for more secure. We are at the end of round 4. Don't forget this chain 2. Find the 3rd stitch. Turn over. Pull through, chain 1 for more secure. Round 5. Slip knot. Single crochet into this middle single crochet stitch. Three single crochet in this chain 2 space. Single crochet into double crochet stitch. And in this chain 2 space, we put 2 single crochet chain 2 and 2 single crochets, then single crochet into every single crochet stitch, 3 single crochets in this chain 2 space, single crochet into this single crochet stitch, 3 single crochet in chain 2 space, single crochet into every stitch, single crochet, 2 single crochets in this chain 2 space, then chain 2, another 2 single crochet into the same chain 2 space, then single crochet in these 3 double crochet stitch, three single crochets in this chain 2 space, repeat this pattern. I will meet you at the corner here. We are at the end of round 5. We have done this corner. Now we're going to put single crochet stitches into these double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, and then 3 double crochet stitches in this chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3. Then slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch. Round 6, we're going to put single crochet stitches into every stitch, and then for this chain 2 corner space, we put 2 single crochets, chain 2 and 2 single crochets. So let's start. We have single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 2 single crochet, 1, 2, chain 2, another 2 single crochet. Then we have 17 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and then 2 single crochet, 1, 2, chain 2, and then another 2 single crochet into this corner space. Repeat this pattern. I will meet you at the corner here. We are at the end of round 6. We have done this corner, so we have 8 single crochet stitches left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then pull up the loop. Go to the first single crochet stitch, go from the back. Pull through. Turn on for more secure. We have finished this project. Hope you like it as much as I do. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.